Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my life to turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise.
Do you like your cups of ice?
Yes,
What do you say?
thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, I love you too.
Get my fee card.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Videos. Almost forgot the fucking bait. Nah, that's not funny. Bye, Jace. I love you.
Bye.
Did you bring your semen, Scott?
My minnows?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Good. Now I know I can't count on you for shit.
Hey, I brought the knife. I brought the knife.
There you go.
I don't know who you are. Hello.
Ooh!
Yes, hello.
Wait, why are you taking pictures?
Oh, they're not pictures. Beautiful
Don't
day.
know you, I know you, and I hate you. Hi, Jeremy. Are you staying here? Are you staying here? No, him. All of you.
Yes, yes.
I just came down to look at the water.
Oh, no!
This ain't your beach.
I swear to God, if you embarrass me.
Cool, you're already embarrassing the fuck out of me. Don't worry about me. Who are you with?
My friends.
Who's your friends? Well, we're gonna be drinking, so.
Please don't. Can you go all the way down over
I'm
there?
going right here, right by the lifeguard chair.
No, please don't.
Yep,
No,
that's where I'm
please
going,
don't. No,
Cor. I'm
seriously.
sorry.
No, please don't.
No, I'm sorry. We're gonna be listening to loud screamo music too. Yep. And go
Why did I fall?
One beer.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Well, this is a sea robin. This one actually looks pretty dang cool. Like, it's got the nice little, I don't even know what to say, little tiger cheetah looking skin. I don't know. People say you can't eat it. People say it's poisonous. Shit, I don't know any about that. I don't know none. I just know this. It's got a nice amount of meat. Take this side, take this side. It's pretty good.
Let me turn. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, you didn't want it. You wanted the wheels.
Hey, that's a good cheap toy.
Yo, people are gonna see my board. It's like, you must skate hard. It's like, no, I just have a dog. And now it's a chew toy. No, but it's fun to ride. Oh my God, can you pull me on this? God, let's try this right now.
That's not my job. He's gonna get on and he's just gonna be there after.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Real funny guy, dude.
Look.
I'm not getting rid of this. You're like a termite, dude.
You got a lighter, right?
I'm gonna have to Good pup.
Oh, thanks.
We're at Riverhead Skate Park. Before we just saw the Batmobile and the Back to the Future car. But we missed the Batmobile, so you know, what else? Yeah, Riverhead Skate Park, gotta check it out. Wow, nice stair set at the skate park. I'm about to try this maybe.
I'm gonna try it right now. It's good for walking.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, great stair set. I loved it.
I can do that.
You know, twat or whatever, but I know you're listening to
I don't know if
but
you had anything.
I walked in and like I started crying when I got into church, and she was like, "Oh, I'm not gonna baptize your child in the state of mind." He said, and she goes, "You are the biggest bitch I've ever met to this nun, to this like virgin nun that's like probably never heard a curse
You could like type
ever."
You could look it
And
up
like
on
everybody
Amazon.
before was like, "You're not baptized." I got shunned before, so they baptized me in beer.
I'm not baptized.
Really?
No, I'm going to purgatory. man.
Yeah, fuck. I said I'm going to hell, so purgatory's a little
Well,
bit
that's
better.
where the unbaptized go. They go to purgatory.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm going to purgatory.
Yeah, good for you.
No hell for Will.
Anybody
I
here?
might actually.
Yes. Conversation.
Okay, so pay attention to Amanda. So my mom takes my ponytail and rips it down, and I'm like, you know, almost breaking my neck. My sisters tried, or Bridget actually tried.
The bottom one.
Yeah, the bottom.
It's so wet.
And it calmed down. I like how the freaking sprinkler's still going. Sprinkler's still going.
Oh, great. There you go.
I have
Oh,
makeup on.
shit. You should really clean that off. The
Winning.
I'm really stuck on.
Brand new fucking setup. Yeah, that's the silvers, there's nice views, there's whites.
Bye.
Bye.